Hey lovelies, as always, if you're returning, welcome back. If you're new, then welcome to the family. Today I'm going to be showing you how I do my lemonade at home. Yes, for those of you who are going to attack me, I know there's a lime on the cutting board. That's how I choose to do it. If you want to just use lemons, that is totally up to you. That's how it's meant to be done. But I like when my drink is a lot stronger and I don't want to use too many lemons. So if I use my lemon and my lime, we're good. So first off, I'm just going to just roll the lemon and the lime on the cutting board and just apply a bit of pressure so that I can get more juice out of it. You can also heat it for a while in the microwave or with hot water. Apologies. In the microwave or with hot water, but I choose to just do it this way. So I'm just going to cut them and use them. Here you go. Don't know what's going on with the limes today. Usually they're quite good, but those are a lot hot. That's juice. Don't worry if you get seeds in this bit, you can always take them out with a spoon or a knife or something after. And if you don't have one of these, you don't need to use it. You can just use your hand and squeeze the lime out. This just makes life a bit easier. Alright guys, so I'm going to add my sugar into my jar. I'm going to use 3 of these serving spoons of sugar. I can also put the measurement for that, weigh it out for you if you want, and I'll put it in the description below. So I'm just going to use 3 of these. I'm using brown sugar. It's totally up to you. You don't have to use the brown sugar. You can use caster sugar if you so wish. You can use any sugar you prefer. But I'm using the Tate and Lyle Demarara sugar. It is so hot, my brain cells feel like they're frying. Right, so I'm just going to pour that in. And then I'm going to juice my lemons. And I'll just pour that in. See, it came out whilst I was juicing, so there you go, just to show you. And then do the other half. Pour that in. Alright guys, so I'm just going to rinse off my hands and then come back. Right, I've got my tea cloth here. I'm just going to use to wipe down the side or dish cloth, whatever you want to call it. It's clean, okay? So I don't need to attack. Just move this out of the way. Right, so I'll just give this a mix. And guys, to make it easier for you mixing out the sugar, to help it dissolve, you can actually use some hot water from your kettle, and that will help the sugar to dissolve a lot quicker. But today I'm just going to be using bottled water because I am making this drink because it is needed. So I've just added 500 ml, I'm going to put another 500. And then top up with the rest of this. Oh, sorry about that. Cutting board decided to fly away. So I would say that was 1.2 litres, so 1,200 mLs if you want to get specific with it. And then guys, all you're going to do is just mix it. I would recommend that you probably get a side cup and just add some with the spoon to the cup and just taste it to see if it's okay for you. Some people like their drink sweeter, others like it more tangy. This for me has a perfect balance, but obviously not everybody's taste buds are the same. So failing that, if it's too sweet for you, you can add some ice cubes to the drink and just water it down a little bit. Or you can add your bottled water, your tap water, whatever you want to use. You don't have to do it with the water that I use. You can use whichever one you prefer. Okay guys, so that's that. So make sure you test it to make sure it's alright for you or your guests or your children or whatever. When my children have it, I do add extra water to it. So, well, that's partially because I don't allow them a lot of sweets, but you know, everyone's different. So there you go guys. Yeah, make sure you like the video, share it, subscribe, and if you've got any suggestions or any comments, leave them down below and I will respond to you guys. Okay, so have a good day, enjoy the heat, and I'll see you soon. Bye.